Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, or hello if you're new. My name is Jeanette and today I'm here with a Black Friday makeup haul. I went to Ulta, Sephora, I shopped at ColourPop, Urban Decay. Pretty sure that's it, but I could be completely wrong, who the heck knows. And I literally have this giant box here with just filled with things, and there's a lot. So I am going to get right into showing you guys everything, and everything is honestly just thrown into here. So I'm going to be pulling things out a little bit out of order. So like I said, I'm just randomly Sephora, Ulta, ColourPop, Urban Decay, and Huda Beauty. I also shopped at Huda Beauty. So everything is just going to be all over the place. But the first things I am going to bring out is I got 3 of the Kylie lip kits. I got the shade Boss. I got the shade Posse K. And I got the shade Dazzle. And I've used the shade Dazzle before, and it is honestly, it's so good. I was obsessed. I was wearing it all day. It was perfect. Next, I got the ColourPop Into Bloom palette duo. It comes with the Big Poppy palette and the Little Ray of Sunshine palette. This is what the Big Poppy palette looks like. I think the colors are absolutely beautiful. And this is what the Little Ray of Sunshine palette looks like. I have used the Big Poppy palette so far. I have not used this one yet, so I don't know which one I like better yet. But I will do a video with all of these things together so you can get my ideas more on that. Next, from Ulta, I got the makeup eraser, makeup remover. It's just giant, and I got it in black because I feel like I'm always losing these guys, so I just got a new one. And it's so soft, like a pillow. I can literally just sleep on it right now. From Urban Decay, I got a mini of the all-nighter primer. And I have used this and I love it. It was one of the best primers I have ever used. Just like the all-nighter setting spray is one of the best primers, setting sprays ever. So I figured this has to be good. So I picked it up and I loved it. And I wore that with my NARS foundation and my Laura Mercier translucent setting powder. And I was wearing a mask all day, and literally it didn't rub off onto my mask at all, which really shocked me. So I don't know if it was the powder or how much I put or just the mix of everything together, but my mask, it didn't rub off at all, which was shocking and amazing. So it's a good combo if you guys need a new combo of stuff to do. Then also from Urban Decay, I got the Urban Decay All-Nighter Ultra Glow Face Primer Dewy Foundation Grip. So it says it smooths, preps, and hydrates. I have not used this one yet, and this one is a full size, and it comes in a pump, and it just pumps out just a little bit, and I feel like that's enough to cover your whole face because a little bit does go a long way. And it does feel very watery, like very hydrating. And I'm just rubbing it into my hand right now. And I want to see if it gets tacky after a little bit. See, I feel like this is going to be a good primer for your foundation to stick to. It is getting a little tacky after a while, and it doesn't really have a scent, so that's nice too. So from Urban Decay, but not from their website, I got the primers from their website, and I got this palette from ulta.com. I got the Naked Cherry palette because it was half off on Black Friday, and I am so excited to use this palette. I feel like The colors just scream to me. I love the pinky kind of colors. I'm wearing pinky colors right now. I'm just trying to think of all the looks I can do, and I really, how many times can I say really? Can't wait to dip my fingers and dip my hands into this and put it on my eyes and see how it works out. Next, I'm gonna show you guys the things that I got from Sephora, and then the things from Huda Beauty, and then that is it for this ginormous haul. So the first thing I got from Sephora is this Kosas concealer, because I told the girl I was looking for something very brightening for my under eyes, and she recommended this for me, so I'm going to try it out and see how I like it, and I will let you guys know how I feel about it once I know how I feel about it. Then I got these Peace Out Acne sticker things, because I've used the Clearasil ones and those work really good, and I just want to try these ones out too to see how these ones work, to see if I like them and to see which ones I like better. And then for $10 I got 3 of the Glam Glow Bubble Sheet Masks, and they cost like $10 each about to begin with, which is amazing. I have used these before. I got them in an Ipsy bag, and it's one of the best face masks I have ever used. The only downside to them is that they are so expensive. It's $9 for a sheet mask, which is honestly kind of ridiculous, but it does work so good that I just, since it was on sale, I had to pick it up. Now all I have left is 5 things from Huda Beauty. So the first thing I'm going to show you guys is I got the Faux Filter foundation in the shade Vanilla. I am very curious to see if I picked the right shade, because I feel like it's hard picking foundations, especially online, with brands that you've never used before. So I just pumped a little bit onto my wrist. I'm gonna blend that in all over my wrist. See, it looks like it's going to be the right shade, but I'm gonna have to obviously try it on my face to see for sure, because your wrist isn't necessarily the same shade as your face at all times. But yeah, it looks like it's gonna be a good shade, and if not, I could always mix it with something else. Then I got also in the shade Vanilla, the Buildable Coverage Foundation Stick. Because I've heard so many good things about this new foundation of theirs, I literally haven't heard a single negative review on this product, so I just felt like I had to pick it up for myself to see how I felt about it. And I haven't used any Huda Beauty face products before, so I just picked up a bunch of them. So I also picked up in the shade Marshmallow their concealer, their Overachiever concealer. I also picked up their Easy Bake loose powder, and I got it in the shade Cupcake. And I got their water jelly primer, because I've heard so many good things about this product. Again, I haven't heard a single negative review on that product, so I thought I had to pick it up for myself. If you guys want to see a full face of first impressions video, comment down below and let me know. I can do the best that I can to do as most first impressions as I can. Obviously, I didn't get any highlighters, blushes, or bronzers, so I can just use what I already have of those and my mascaras and brow stuff, but I can do a whole base of first impressions. I can do my new lipsticks. I can do first impressions with my eyeshadows. So comment down below and let me know if that is something you guys would like to see, because that is something I think would be really fun to do, honestly. And comment down below what other videos you would like to see with these products in particular. If you would like to see a review on any of these products, or if you're interested or have any questions, let me know. I can get back to you as soon as I can, the best that I can. And let me know if you guys want to see a favorites video, because I've been thinking about doing that, but I'm not sure if that's something you guys would actually want to watch, so I've been putting it off. So just let me know if that's something you want to see. my camera battery is starting to run low, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know if you've used any of these products and have any other recommendations. You want me to pick anything else up. Like this video if you liked it, subscribe to my channel for more content like this, and press the notification bell to be notified every single time I do upload a video. And with all that being said, again, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you're still watching right now, comment down below what your favorite flower is, and I hope to see you guys next time in my next video. Bye!